Some English speaking process take more time to learn about speaking English. Somebody say you watch a movie which have subtitle, watch movie first 10 minutes and again you need to watch, and later you need to write down the text, whatever dialogue you will listen, and later you read it again and again. In this way, if you repeat more than 10 times, you will learn English. You will learn speaking English. In this way, gradually you can improve, but it is stressful because each and every interval you need to do the same process. You will learn, but you will get bored. You can continue it for 1 month, 2 months, but for long time, I mean to say more than 6 months, you could not able to continue. You will quit it. Process is good. You can learn speaking English natural way, whatever dialogue in the film you will get. At the same time, your writing skill, listening skill will improve. This process is good, but the whole matter you cannot bear. Another process about speaking English I got. Somebody say you memorize 100 word meaning. You need to memorize 100 stock of word I teacher giving to student, which is very common, and most of the sentences uses the all words, and day-to-day life we use all the words. So teacher say use it, and also very common word say what, who, whom, such type of word which make sentence each and every time at the time of speaking. Teacher say memorize the meaning and make 50 sentence with the word which day-to-day life we use, and later teacher say memorize the sentence. In this process, you will learn speaking English. First, you could not able to cover 100% soon. It will take more time to get success. Also, this breaking process, I think, you will lose your energy. Later you will quit it. If you continue, if you can So it is good. Another process I got, teacher or somebody say, think in English. Normally you could not able to think in English. So teacher say, you can narrate something. In front of you whatever you watching, you can narrate. No need to speak, but in your mind you can narrate it or you can describe it. In this way, you can improve think in English. Also, when you are going by bus, from the window, whatever scene you watching, you can narrate it. You can describe it in your mind. No need to speak up. In this way, you can improve your think in English. It is good process. If you can, it is good. Also, it is tasteful, I think. For continue this process, need more energy. Student can't continue for long time. After 2-3 months, student quit this process. They lost energy. They can't continue. In the same way, somebody say, some in the internet or on your computer, watch some scenery and describe about the scenery or whatever, fruit, apple, mango, banana. You watch it and say. In this way, you can improve your think in English. Process is good, but student can't continue for a long time. I think whatever process I told in my another video, it is not tasteful. It is very easy. You can learn anytime when you are free. This is listening process. You need to listen more audio, more conversation, which will affect in your brain. By force your brain will think in English automatically. Just you need to give 10 months.